Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about bone marrow transplants. This video will cover the cost, procedure, recovery, and even share some inspiring success stories. First, let's talk about the cost. Bone marrow transplants can be expensive, and the cost can vary depending on whether you receive a full match or a half match transplant. On average, a full match transplant costs around $28,000 USD. For a half match transplant, you're looking at around $35,000 USD. These costs can include hospitalization, medications, and follow-up care. Always check with your healthcare provider and insurance company to get the most accurate estimate for your situation. Now, on to the procedure itself. A bone marrow transplant is a medical procedure used to replace damaged or destroyed bone marrow with healthy bone marrow stem cells. The process typically starts with high-dose chemotherapy or radiation to destroy the diseased bone marrow. This is followed by the infusion of healthy stem cells, either from a donor or from your own body if you've stored them beforehand. The new stem cells travel to the bone marrow and begin producing new healthy blood cells. Recovery can be a challenging journey, but it's important to stay positive and follow your healthcare team's advice. After the transplant, you'll need to stay in the hospital for several weeks and sometimes longer to monitor for complications like infections or graft versus host disease. It can take several months to a year for your immune system to fully recover. During this time, you'll need to take medications to help your body accept the new stem cells and to prevent infections. Now, let's hear some success stories to keep you inspired. Many patients have undergone bone marrow transplants and have gone on to lead healthy, fulfilling lives. Take Emily's story, for instance. Diagnosed with leukemia, she underwent a half-match transplant and, after a tough recovery, she's now cancer-free and back to her favorite activities. Then there's Mark, who received a full-match transplant for his lymphoma. Today, he's not only in remission, but also running marathons and raising awareness for bone marrow donation. These stories remind us that, while the journey can be tough, there's hope and a chance for a better future. If you're considering a bone marrow transplant, talk to your doctor about your options and what to expect. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of bone marrow transplants. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more informative content. Thank you for watching and take care.